Ever wondered why you can't seem to get that dream apartment or car, despite having a decent income? Chances are, your Transunion score is playing a bigger role than you think. Let's dive deep into understanding what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how to boost it. Now, what exactly is a Transunion score? Think of it as your financial report card. It's a number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. The higher the score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans, credit cards, or even that dream apartment. But how does this number magically appear? Well, it's based on information collected about your financial history, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. Let's break it down. Your payment history is king. Paying your bills on time, every time, is the cornerstone of a good score. Late or missed payments can seriously ding your credit. Next up is credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Aim to keep this below 30% for optimal results. Length of credit history matters too. The longer you've been managing credit responsibly, the better your score. So, don't cancel old credit cards unless you have a really good reason. Credit mix is about having different types of credit, like credit cards, loans, and mortgages. It shows lenders you can handle various credit responsibilities. And finally, new credit. Every time you apply for new credit, it leaves a mark. Too many inquiries can lower your score. So, be mindful of how often you apply for new credit. Now, let's talk about building your Transunion score. First and foremost, check your credit report regularly. You can get a free copy from Transunion and other credit bureaus. Look for errors and dispute them if necessary. Small mistakes can have a big impact. Next, pay your bills on time. This cannot be stressed enough. Set up automatic payments if needed. It's a small step with a huge reward. Lower your credit utilization. If you're carrying high balances, make a concerted effort to pay them down. Consider getting a secured credit card. This can help build credit history, especially if you have a limited credit history. But remember to use it responsibly and pay it off in full every month. Avoid closing old credit cards. As mentioned earlier, length of credit history matters. Keeping older accounts open can positively impact your score. Limit new credit applications. As tempting as it might be to sign up for every credit card offer, resist the urge. Too many inquiries can hurt your score. Now, let's address some common misconceptions. Myth number 1, closing a credit card with a high balance will improve your score. Wrong. This can actually hurt your score, especially if it's an old account with a long credit history. Myth number 2, you need to have a lot of credit cards to build a good score. False. Quality is more important than quantity. A few cards used responsibly are better than a bunch of cards with high balances. Building good credit takes time and discipline. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by small setbacks. Stay consistent, monitor your progress, and celebrate your achievements. Remember, your Transunion score is a snapshot of your financial health. Treating it with care is essential for your financial well-being. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to boosting your score and unlocking new financial opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.